gift giveaway is coming up. Watch, like, comment, and subscribe to find out more. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Remember to hit the like button. Remember to subscribe down below. So we have some giveaways that are coming up this month, maybe next month, depending on our subscriber account increase. So we're trying to gain more of a following, and what we're ultimately trying to do is get more viewers like you so you can partake in the gifts that are coming up. So we're going to use a link or an algorithm, and when you comment below, it's going to pick a random winner. So this way, if you're actually in it to win it, you have a chance. But I'm not just going to pick a random subscriber account, because sometimes people don't actually pay attention to what's going on. I'm going to show a couple of prizes. Some won't be shown, but in the details I'll show more. All right guys, so these are the items that we're going to be giving away. So we've got thumb drives, Xbox cards, Fire Stick, 2 of them, 2 different Roush shift knobs, but they're pertaining to 1 year. Roush shift knob for the 15 to 17 guys and the adapter piece, and for 11 to 14 guys, headlight covers. Now you guys will be able to take off the design however you want, and then just wipe it clean with Goo Gone or alcohol. Also for 11 to 14 guys, this is the catch can. It's from C&D Auto Tech from Chuck. You may have seen him from Staying Mode. So these are the gifts that we're going to be giving away as soon as our numbers start increasing. So the goal will be you guys subscribe, then you comment below, and we use a link, and it'll pull out one person randomly from the comments, and you guys will be getting one of these items. So when we get up to the higher numbers, we'll end up doing a lug nuts giveaway, and they're the ones that I put on my car. We're going to go to the picture right here. These will be 1/2 Acorn black and milled. And after you guys subscribe enough, we'll be giving away the lug nuts that you just saw. Also guys, as one of the giveaways, this is a carbon fiber sticker overlay, so you can put it on your entire dash, the radio trim, the window switches if you have a convertible. See, as here, this is the carbon fiber, goes over the door locks, the overhead, the steering wheel, dash vents, radio. That's going to conclude today's video, guys. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.
Say bye-bye.